Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I am reviewing 2 carry-on suitcases from Quince. Now, it was you guys that told me about this company. I had several of you reach out, whether it's in the comments or DMs on Instagram, saying, hello, have you seen the carry-ons from this website? Because they are very good dupes of carry-ons like Away and Monos, but much more affordable. And I said, what? I have to check this out, and immediately went to the website and reached out. Now, this website has luxury, high quality type of items for a lot lower price. And they're produced fairly and sustainably. So definitely check it out. They have a lot more than just travel stuff. I could probably spend days on that website seeing everything that they offer. So what we're gonna do today is an unboxing of both of their carry-on sizes. And then of course we are going to go through the ins and outs of the bag, measure it, and of course pack it. Now, one is the smaller one and one is the bigger one. So we're going to have a really good opportunity to also see how much more a bigger carry-on can hold than the smaller one. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. I travel often and pack well and want to help you do the same. I have traveled to 88 countries in all 7 continents, and I always use a carry-on bag. So whether I'm reviewing luggage like today or whether I'm doing a packing video, I am here to help you. Be sure to also follow us on Instagram because there's even more tips and tricks on there. So comment down below or DM me on Instagram if there's anything that you need help with, and I will be your girl for all things travel and packing. In fact, let me know where you're going next. Drop it down in the comments. All right, we got this one and we got this one. Let's open them. We're here for your journey, whatever the destination. I love when boxes open this way. I don't know why it makes it feel like I'm getting a much more luxurious suitcase, but I do. Okay, so I love that they come in a dust bag because that's a really great way to store your luggage. This is the smaller one, and it's tan. And this is the bigger one in black. So these pieces of luggage are exactly the same. They have the same details, the same everything. It's just one is smaller, one is more lightweight, and one holds a little bit less. So for the sake of the table space that I am filming on, let's go ahead and just focus on this one, and we will bring the larger one back on the table when we measure it and pack it. All right, so the smaller one is on the website as the 20-inch carry-on. It retails for $119.90, which is extremely affordable, and I am so happy to tell you guys that price. Sometimes I tell you a price on this channel and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry that it's that much, but that is the price. Now, I don't have any type of discount code or anything for you guys because this website already has incredibly low prices, so they do not do discount codes, but these were sent to me and I do get a small commission if you click on the link. Now, this of course is the tan color, and you guys saw the black in the other one, and that is the 2 colors that this one comes in. The larger one also comes in a lighter blue, a navy, and a dark green, and the price on this one is $129.90, which is only $10 more. While I have both back on the table real quick, let's go ahead and measure them. Including the wheels and handles, it is just under 22 inches. The depth, and it is not expandable, is just under 9. And the width, including the handle, is about 14. It is also 6.2 pounds and can hold 40 liters of stuff. So this is going to be great for international travel. Now let's measure the big guy. The height is just under 23. We've got the depth, and again, it's not expandable, which is 9. And then the width of it, including the handle, is 15. And then this is 6.7 pounds and holds 48 liters. So this one is going to be good, especially if you're American and you're flying Delta or Southwest or, you know, Spirit or, you know, pretty much any airline. But if you're going internationally and they have a lot stingier requirements, this one is going to be better for you. So if you never travel internationally, get this one. If you travel internationally most often, like me, then get this one. All right, so like I said, let's focus on the smaller one when I am showing you all of the outside details. So obviously this is hard luggage. It is a polycarbonate shell that we know and love. You have these horizontal grooves here in this very cool little pattern, and we see that there's nothing on this side and that there's the grooves right here as well. But the cool thing is that it actually wraps around the bag like that. You see that? I think that's really cool and unique and a little bit abstract. Now the zippers on here are YKK and they are black. Now you do have this handle on this side and this handle up on top, super easy to grab. And then you do have this light aluminum telescopic handle with various heights. Of course, let's see. Nice and sturdy. And then of course you have the Japanese 360 wheels so that you can be silent and roll super easily, and of course spin. There is of course a TSA lock, but it's actually on top on this bag right up here. Set your own combination, unlock it, and open the bag. And then that is really it for the outside of the bag. So let's go ahead and open it now and check out the inside. So this is going to be the side that is contained. You have just a simple mesh zipper, no pockets, and nothing inside. And then this is the side with the compression, and you do have, of course, the compression straps, and you have the compression pad, and then you have the lining here. This is the grooves from the handle. And then you do have this little pocket here with, I'm assuming this is a laundry bag. And this laundry bag actually does have a little snap, which is nice. You can snap it right onto the snap here. And it has a zipper, which is kind of cool because most laundry bags are cinched at the top. Inside we do have a magic eraser, which most luggage comes with these days. And of course it has directions to your suitcase and how to do your lock. And then this compression sleeve is mesh with a zipper. If you wanted to pack things in there, you totally could. Now the difference between this compression is that it is more of the horizontal strap instead of the vertical, which really makes no difference, but I'm excited to use the compression for sure. Now let's go ahead and measure the inside of the suitcase, because there's always times that we measure the outside of the suitcase, but that includes the wheels and handles. So now we're gonna measure the inside to see how much you can really pack in there. So you do have about 20 inches by 13.5 inches. The depth on this side is just about 4.5, and the depth on this side is about 4.5 as well. Now, of course, we have to do a shoe test. You guys know that we have to. When I first reviewed a piece of luggage, I put one of my husband's shoes that's size 13 in there and it didn't fit, and then that kind of launched me doing luggage reviews apparently. So we are going to go ahead and put that in there. Yep, totally be able to fit. And then on this side too, totally fit. Now let's get the 21 inch out and we can measure the inside of that. So the internal measurements here, you're going to have 21 inches of packing space by about 14 inches of packing space. And then the depth here is still about 4.5, and the depth here is 5. Okay, so what I want to do now is show you guys what I just packed in this 21 inch one, which is the larger one, and then we will go ahead and transfer all of the items from this bag into the smaller one so that you can really see how much more you can pack in this one versus the smaller one. Here we have it fully packed and compressed down. Now for me personally, this is overpacking, but I do want to fill it with a lot of stuff to be able to show you. I have the biggest one on the bottom, and then I have this more medium one. I have this little guy tucked in this corner right here, and then this one on top. These are compression cubes. They are skinnier, and I am able to pack them on top of each other. And the compression really makes everything squeeze down so that it doesn't go up over the depth of the bag. Now over on this side, I have a pair of sneakers, a pair of flip-flops, a purse, and a toiletries bag. Now there is a lot more room on this side to be able to pack other things, or maybe you're going on a trip and you want to bring home souvenirs. A lot of you guys have expressed that when it comes to packing, so we're gonna leave some room in here exactly for that. Now let's pull up the smaller one and transfer all the items so we can see how all of this fits in that one. Okay, so let's start with the packing cube side. This is the larger one here, and I'm gonna put it in. Now I'm gonna have to squish it just a little bit, but it does still totally fit. Now we're going to take that second biggest one and put it up in the top, and there's not going to be any room on the side for this mini one, so we're gonna leave that right here. However, the smaller version does still have the great compression pad, so we will put this one right there, strap it, and it's compressed just like this side was. Now let's move on to the non-compression side, and we're gonna have this packing cube as well as 2 pairs of shoes, a purse, and a toiletries bag. The shoes first, because those are probably the most important. These are size 11 women's shoes, by the way, in case you were wondering. We'll do the bag because it's a little bit flatter. We will do the toiletries bag, and we will do the compression bag. Everything still fits. There is still a little bit of wiggle room. You can even squish these shoes just a little bit more. Everything fits, including adding the small compression cube into here. All of you guys that are worried about smaller carry-ons being too small for your trip, as long as you have good compression and you follow a lot of my packing techniques and rules, there isn't too much of a difference when it comes to the two. You can still have an amazing vacation with a lot of wardrobe choices if you pack in an international size carry-on. All right, you guys, so what do you think? I am very, very much impressed with these bags. I can't wait to travel with them one day to really test them out. I think if you can get great quality and luggage trends that we know and love from other companies for $119 and $129, that is mind-blowingly incredible. It has all of the features that we look for in a bag and can be great for domestic and international travels. And I am really interested in doing a comparison video with these pieces of luggage against Away and Monos, and only because on the website they do have a little chart where it compares these two, Monos and Away, but then they're so much cheaper. So let me know down below in the comments if you are interested in doing that video, and I would love to create that for you. Personally, from what I know about both of those brands I mentioned, I think that these are exact dupes for Away luggage. There are parts of these bags that are pretty much exact to Away luggage, and then they do have some of the qualities that Monos has, but just a little bit different here and there. So I will go over all of those when I create that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're subscribed to this channel so that I can help you travel often and pack well like I do. Let me know if there's anything else from Quince's website that you are interested in having me review. I know that they do have a couple of different travel bags as well as packing cubes, and I really would love to even check out their fashion. There's some cashmere sweaters I have my eye on, so definitely let me know. I will see you guys next time. Happy travels. Bye.